Saturday, 15th August 2020 was India's 74th Independence Day. It was a celebration day for Indians. On this special day, there was a program to honor all those who did extraordinary and brave work for the country and humanity. One of the great honors, Chief of Army Staff, was given to Balram, and Army Dog. An Army Dog. Yes, you will be surprised to know that the highest honor of military is being awarded to Balaram, an army dog. Friends, he is the unsung hero of India and humanity. I am going to tell you the great inspiring achievement of Balram, an army dog. Way back in 2006, it was as usual preparations for Amarnath pilgrimage tour. Is one of the largest and most important programs of the Indian government. Several hundred devotees visit the holy place. People from several cities all over India and abroad visit this place during this period. Each session a self-proclaimed ice Shivaling appears here at Amarnath. Indians believe that Shivalinga, which looks like a cylinder on another larger cylinder with a tail, is form of Lord Shiva. A Lord Shiva is one of the most worshipped gods in Hindu culture. Being an ice Shivalinga and self-proclaimed makes it more auspicious. Such an important holy place has lot of security arrangements. There are chances that some antisocial elements try to do some blast or terror attacks. In the year 2006, there was a bomb planted underground on this route. As the Indian military does a security check of this route, they had carried security check. Indian military took with them the army dog Balram for the security check. On the route, at one place, Balram was inspecting more. His coach was dragging him ahead, but Balram was not ready to go ahead. Balram started digging ground at the place. Balram started barking at the place loudly. This barking was all different than his usual barking. His coach and other military men observed. The military got suspicious. Must be something wrong at this place. They started digging cautiously. To the big surprise, they found large amount of bomb ammunition there. If the bomb exploded, it would have been a big explosion, and several pilgrims would have lost their lives. Balram was successful in tracing this planted bomb beneath the ground. It is this great exceptional work of Balram was honored. In the honor, the Indian military awarded one of the highest rank to Balram, Chief of Army Staff. award. Saving humans from a terrorist bomb blast is a real great humanitarian work. We know the military has army which fights on ground, navy who fight on sea vessels, and air force who fight using flights. But this army dog is the first time I ever heard of an army much different than usual. The brave work of army dog Balram has inspired everyone. We pay tribute to all those brave army dogs who sacrificed their life serving the nation and humanity. I recall lines of the great poem. तुम भूल न जाना उनको, इसलिए कही ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद के श्वान, जय हिंद. The meaning is, that's why you should not forget them. Those were the stories of who sacrificed. Let us remember all those who made supreme sacrifice.